The Britney Spears conservatorship saga may be coming to an end.
I just want to be a happy person.
In court documents obtained by ET, the pop star has formally requested a termination plan to end her conservatorship. Here's what we now know. In the docs filed on Wednesday, Britney's attorney, Mathew Rosengart, asks that the singer's father, Jamie Spears, be removed as conservator of her estate.
And you guys know my situation.
The attorney goes on to argue that 13 years after it was first installed, Britney's conservatorship no longer serves a legitimate purpose. Rosengart also requests that Jamie be temporarily replaced until the conservatorship is completely and inevitably terminated this fall.
We pledged that after 13 years of the status quo, my firm and I would move aggressively and expeditiously to file a petition to suspend and remove James P. Spears.
It's all referred to as the termination plan in these docs, which state that Britney wants this process to begin immediately.
I'm very keen on freedom. I love independence.
The new development follows a recent court filing from Jamie, who also requested an end to the conservatorship.
He's saying the judge has decided already that she can make decisions like picking her own lawyer. And Britney says that she's prepared to move on with her life.
In a petition submitted 2 weeks ago, Jamie stated that his daughter is entitled to have this court now seriously consider whether this conservatorship is no longer required.
And he's sort of pushing it on to everyone else, saying, look, the judge decided this, Britney feels this way, her lawyer says this, and as a result, it seems to me that we could end the conservatorship. So it's not like he's coming forward and saying, it is time, I am convinced that this is ready for this to end. It's more sort of everyone else seems to believe this, so I'm not going to stand in their way.
Britney had a fear that her family would barge in and take everything.
What was going on inside the conservatorship? And why was she still in one if she was, quote, okay?
Also on Wednesday, we got our first look at the latest documentary to examine Britney's case.
There was financial incentives for Jamie, for the lawyers.
I've represented dozens of conservatees in court. Not one of them has ever had a job.
Britney made other people a lot of money.
In the trailer for Britney vs. Spears, the Netflix movie teases new interviews from Britney's so-called inner circle and never-before-seen documents from the pop icon's legal battle.
Someone very close to the conservatorship leaked me this confidential report.
Britney had to go into court a million times, all of these hours of criticizing her.
It's an epic fail of the legal system that this has gone on for so long.
Britney vs. Spears begins streaming September 28th on Netflix.
No one would talk.
I'm not going to acknowledge that I was ever brought in to evaluate Britney Spears.
Until they did.